Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Advi. If you are new to my channel, thank you so much for tuning in, and if you're an old subscriber, thank you and thank you so much for tuning in again. So I'm gonna be doing this Sprite challenge. This is a 300 milliliter, but then people that I've seen they've been like using that bottle, but I couldn't find the bottle, so this is what I got. It's like 300 milliliters. I don't know if it's equal to that bottle or not, but then let's do this anyway. The challenge is that I have to finish this can without burping. So let's do it. There you go. Okay, so let's try and see if I will win this or I'm gonna lose the challenge. Oh, oh my god, it's burning my chest. Okay. I'm not even halfway, and then I've been drinking. Oh my god, the burping is coming back. I can literally feel it coming. Whew, my tongue is so full. Okay, I'm gonna remove the belt and unbutton my chin because now my tummy feels so full. Okay, let's see if your girl is gonna do this. Cheer me up, guys. I agree. Because this is a girl and she gonna do this. Oh, my tummy is full. I think I'm gonna lose, not because I burped, but because my tummy is full, because I couldn't finish it. Oh, my tummy is so full. Oh, 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 no, don't burp, don't burp. But then my tummy is so full, I can't take in anymore. I should have done with this with a bottle so you can see how far I am. But then I'm like, maybe halfway. My tummy is so full and it's painful. Don't try this at home. Oh, oh, oh. Okay, don't burp. Please don't. Don't burp. Don't burp. Don't do it. Okay. Okay, fine. I cannot take in anymore. And then the uh-oh. And now after burping, my tummy doesn't feel full anymore. I think it was because maybe the gas was just full in my tummy. Ooh. And the relief that comes after burping. Ooh. So I didn't make it. And I don't think it's really possible to win this because from all the videos that I've been seeing on TikTok, nobody won the challenge. So your girl lost the challenge. Anyway, thank you for 700 subscribers and going. Please subscribe, like this video, and comment. I'm gonna finish this up. I lost. It's a girl Adwi until we meet again. Cheers.